Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I will share some settings you can apply to increase your Windows 11 performance. So let's start with our first setting. Press Ctrl key, Shift key and Escape key in your keyboard. And this will open the Task Manager. Now in the Task Manager, click on this tab, Startup. So these are the startup applications which start automatically when you sign in your laptop. So disable all the startup applications. Right click on the application, then click on disable. So disable all the startup applications and this will increase your Windows 11 performance. This is your first setting. Now move on to the next setting you can apply. Click on the Windows icon. In the search box, click on the search box and type View Advanced System Settings. You will see this option here, View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Now you will see this kind of window, System Properties. Click on this Advanced tab. In the Performance column, click on this Settings option. Now here you have to select the third option, Adjust for the best performance. So this will set your system for the best performance. Select this option and after that enable these 5 features. Okay, enable these 5 features. That's it. Click on Apply, then click on OK. Click on OK. Now move on to the final setting you can apply. Delete all the malicious software from your system. So in Windows 11 you will get a preloaded Microsoft malicious software removal tool. I will show you how to use this tool. So right click on Windows icon, then click on this Run option. Now here type MRT, press enter. Now you have to wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Now here you will see this tool, Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. Click on Next. Now select the full scan. So this will scan your PC completely and remove all kind of malicious software from your system. Select full scan, then click on Next. And this will take some time. So the scanning process has been completed and you can also view the result as well from here by clicking on this. Okay, click on Finish. So these are the 3 settings you can apply to increase Windows 11 performance. This is all for the video. Thank you.